Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're diving into Xola, found at Xola.com. Xola provides a comprehensive platform for tour and activity operators to manage bookings, streamline operations, and grow their businesses. This software offers a robust suite of tools designed to handle everything from online reservations and payment processing to customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing automation. Xola stands out for its focus on optimizing the customer booking experience, with features like flexible booking options, mobile-friendly interfaces, and integrated waivers. For business owners, Xola offers a centralized dashboard to monitor bookings, track revenue, and manage resources. The platform's reporting capabilities provide valuable insights into business performance, helping operators identify trends and make data-driven decisions. Furthermore, Xola integrates with several third-party applications, expanding its functionality and allowing businesses to connect with their existing software ecosystem. This includes integrations with popular marketing platforms, payment gateways, and other business tools. Whether you're running a small tour operation or a large activity center, Xola aims to provide the tools you need to succeed. From simplifying online booking to automating marketing efforts, this platform offers a comprehensive solution for managing and growing your tour and activity business. They offer various pricing tiers to accommodate different business sizes and needs, so it's worth exploring their website to see what plan might fit your specific operation best. Remember, you can find the direct link in the description below. Xola offers a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform's features and determine if it's the right fit for your business before committing to a paid subscription. Don't forget to check it out.